Hi. I'm here to talk to you about Kingroot Apk for almost all Android devices. Root your Android device easily. It is application to root Android device. Many who want to further customize their Android devices often root their devices to get wider access in personalizing their phones. In other words, rooting gives golden ticket to further access the rich features of this Linux-based operating system. The advantage of rooting is rich customization and free to access everything in phone that once been limited. The latest update has fixed many bugs and logic implementation in several manufacturers, making this app an universal root tool. It can support devices manufacturers from Samsung devices, HTC devices, Google Nexus devices, Sony devices, LG devices, ZTE devices and Huawei devices. It can run in Gingerbread, Jelly Bean, Kit Kat, to the latest Lollipop and perhaps for Marshmallow and the later. It comes with user-friendly interface and intuitive menu that is easy to understand even for those who are new in root department. SU binary is very important. It has the binary which is needed to be installed in system directory. The second app needed is Kinguser. Kinguser is Kingroot to manage the permissions issue on device. Kinguser can also be used to remove system applications or disable auto start of application. The third tools needed in rooting device is KingMaster. Tutorial how to root using Kingroot Apk. To begin using this app, user needs to download or discover it first. Install the application on the Android. The next step is to open the app. In the application, there is one button to grant permission for rooting and a graphic showing the progress of rooting. Before clicking the root button, make sure the manufacturer and operating system is supported by Kingroot. Open System Setting and enable device administration by unknown source. The device may reboot, and it is very common in rooting process. After the rooting is finished, application will show success message on the screen. Then, restart to save and apply the change. The advantages of Kingroot for Android as the root tool is that it does not cause memory loss. All data are saved after rooting. It will not affect all data like contacts, pictures, music, and videos. Unsupported device will get message to install Kingroot in PC and root from PC instead. Keep in mind that the three applications mentioned above, SU binary, Kinguser, and KingMaster, should be installed first. After the rooting process, KingMaster can be uninstalled, but Kinguser cannot be uninstalled since it will unroot again. KingMaster comes in Chinese only and may be difficult for non-Chinese users to understand. When boot loop happens, a device needs to be flashed. When a device is flashed, all data will lost unless users install a recovery tool. Seeing this, users should be very careful before rooting or device will end up in a mess. Kingroot is also available for PC. The PC version is for devices that are not supported. Recently, it has updated an ability to root Sony devices after failed attempt on device to the logic implementation issue and Sony complicated security layer. After rooting, device can be customized by users. Users will have access to remove unremovable bloatware from manufacturer, customize the look of the device like the status bar and notification drop-down menu. Keep in mind that rooting Android with any tool, including Kingroot, will cause warranty voids. Users will not be able to claim warranty since rooting violates the agreement in the warranty policy. Therefore, for new bought device, It is advisable not to root at first as to not lose the warranty in case there is something needs to be fixed from the device. Users are also recommended to search information about rooting advantages and disadvantages, especially when using this root tools. Kingroot Apk features and details for Android obtains superuser privileges. By having right superuser, you can do anything on Android, such as custom ROM, edit Android system and many others. You can improve performance. Android can move applications from internal memory to SD-card. This is done when you have an Android that has a small internal memory. To move an application to SD-card can use applications called Link to SD or Gemini App Manager, and application requires superuser rights. You become more knowing about the inside. Android can install applications that require superuser rights, can remove the factory default application is not important which cause the batteries run out quickly. Hope you found it useful. For more information please click the link in description.